In this video, I will show you how to change logo in Odoo. So if you want to actually change your logo, what you can do is you can head over right here to this particular options. So for this, we have e-commerce, we have reporting, as well as configuration. So for this one, you can head over and click on this edit option as well, and then this will load in here the editor for your actual Odoo website. And now we have this. So we have in here your logo. So you can head over and then click on that. And it should be able to open in here the customization for it. So for this one, just scroll down and here we have the navbar logo. You can click onto this replace option. And then for this one, search for an image that you want as logo, or you can also upload an image or add a URL for that. Let's head over and add. So I have uploaded right here an image and it will serve as my logo. You should be able to see it right here already. Head over and click onto the save option in order to properly save the logo that you have just uploaded.